Dati, sabi mo, hindi ka muna gagamit ng Atome. Yung post mo last 2 years.
Balimbing.
Well, guys, tama naman siya. 2 years ago, sinabi ko na hindi muna ako gagamit ng Atome. And I have created so much videos about Atome, the issues na kinaharap ko with Atome, and hindi lang yun, mga customer experience din. Ginawan ko na rin yan ng mga videos. But for me, natawaging balimbing, mag-rewind muna tayo kung ano ba talaga ang sinabi ko. So, pag-usapan natin kung bakit bumalimbing nga ba si Pat dito. Samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na ako knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Makukonsider ko ba yun? Balimbing? Balimbing daw ako. Okay, rewind muna tayo. Silipin muna natin yung video na sinasabi niya na bakit niya ako tinawag na balimbing. Sa akin hindi muna ako gagamit ng Atome until such time na nakita ko na nag-improve na yung kanilang payment methods. Number 2 is until such time na makapag-provide si Atome ng maayos na customer service. Hindi muna ako gagamit. So, ito siguro yung video na kinomentan niya because sinabi ko dito na hindi muna ako gagamit ng Atome for a couple of reasons. Una, dahil nga dun sa hindi nagre-reflect yung payment ko. Pangalawa, dahil dun sa customer service. And I explicitly stated na hindi mo na ako gagamit kay Atome kung una, hindi mag-i-improve ang service nila, hindi magkakaroon ng real-time crediting ng payments. Pangalawa, kung hindi sila makapag-provide ng good customer service. Ngayon, real-time na ba? Well, masasabi ko yes. Once na magbayad ka na kagad, within 1 minute or so, lalabas na kagad ang payment mo. Minsan pa nga, within 10 seconds, magre-reflect na kagad yung payment mo. So, in this case, did Atome resolve the issue of the real-time posting ng payment? Well, masasabi ko, yes. Okay, let's move on to the second issue. We're in good customer service. Okay, good customer service medyo subjective sa tao. So, if ako, naranasan ko hindi maganda yung service nila sa akin, syempre sasabihin ko, it's bad customer service. But, if na-providean naman ako ng maayos na service, na-resolve ng agent ang issue ko, di masasabi ko na okay naman ang service nila. So, it really depends sa situation and sa tao. So, for me guys, 2 years ago, medyo na-resolve na yung issue with Atome. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. But hindi lang naman yan talaga ang naging improvement ni Atome. Before kasi, wala pa silang other features na ngayon available na sa atin. That's why, masasabi ba natin na pagbalimbing if we're just true to ourselves na nag-improve ang service nila at gumanda ang features nila? Oops, wait lang guys, baka sabihin nyo, I'm so much defending Atome. Well guys, wala naman kaming collaboration or partnership with Atome. And if you can see na meron akong link sa baba, well, you can also generate your own link or you can also get your own link from Atome. Yung referral link naman yan is available sa lahat na kung gusto mong magkaroon ng iPhone, edi mag-refer ka rin. It's really not a papered collaboration with Atome. Kaya hindi ko naman siya openly na pinopromote na katulad ni Maribank na meron akong collaboration with them. And masegoy ko lang din, just in case na wala ka pang Maribank account, you can use my Maribank referral code ng Pat Quinto para magkaroon ka ng 175 pesos na referral bonus if you deposit 1,000 pesos and let it stay in your account for 3 days. O diba, nakapag-segue pa. So let's go back to Atome. Wala po kaming paid collaboration ni Atome. Thus, itong mga sinasabi ko pong ito is really based on my experience. So, okay, if hindi ka pa satisfied sa naging improvement ni Atome in terms of their service, ito pa yung reason why I keep on using my Atome. Number 1, 0% interest. This is the highlight of the features. Based on my experience, sila ang pinakaunang nagbigay or nag-open up ng feature na 0% interest basta bayaran mo in full by your due date. Number 2 is that you have the option to use the card or use QR. If in case na wala kang internet, then you can use the card. If in case naman na nakalimutan mo ang wallet mo and you have your phone, you can use the QR. Diba? Napaka-flexible niya. Number 3 reason is that wala akong nagiging problema in terms of payment because laging nagre-reflect kagad ang payment na binabayad ko. This is one of my main issue na kailangan mag-reflect kagad ang payment ko. Bakit? Well, before kasi nagkakaroon ng problema si Atome na hindi nagpo-post yung payment. Pag hindi nag-post yung payment, mape-penalize ka or even mako-convert to installment yung mga purchases mo. So, gusto kong makaiwas sa ganung issue. Number 4 is that if in case na wala kang pambayad in full, yes, There is an interest, but you can convert it into installment of 3 months or 6 months. So kahit papano, medyo flexible siya. Lastly, if you have an Atomy credit, and this is one of the feature na gusto ko, kunyari kapag nagipit ako tapos kailangan ko ng cash, ginagawa ko yung trick na ma-convert yung credit into cash. Hindi ko siya advisable, but if you have your own QRPH merchant account, then bahala kayo, you can do as what you wish. So sa akin, pagkagipitan, instead na i-withdraw ko yung investment ko sa dollar, ginagamit ko na lang yung Atomy credit ko. Medyo konting service fee lang naman din ang kaltas sa akin. Yan. So masasabi ba na pagbalimbing yon if nakita mo na nag-improve ang service nila at nagbe-benefit ka sa service nila? Hindi ko naman sinabing I will never use Atomy. So, for our question of the day, meron din ba kayong related experience wherein you had a bad experience with a product or service, but eventually later on, you are still using that product or service? Mako-consider nyo rin ba ang sarili nyo as balimbing? Well, i-comment nyo yan sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Guys, before we end this video, malapit na po tayo mag 200,000 subscribers. And that is the next milestone na I'm aiming to reach. And based po dito sa analytics ko, mas marami pa rin po talaga ang nanonood sa akin na hindi nakasubscribe. Sana po tulungan niyo po ako ma-reach ang aking 200,000 milestone na subscribers. And once we reach the 200 milestone subscribers, magkakaroon na naman po tayo ng pa-cellphone giveaway or cash giveaway. Ano po bang mechanics nito? Well, kailangan nyo lang po sumagot ng question of the day natin, and then basically from this video na to, moving forward until we reach the 200,000 subscribers, mamimili po ako dito ng lucky winners ng either cellphone giveaway natin or 10,000 pesos in cash. So ano pa po ba ang hinihintay nyo? Di sumagot na po kayo ng question of the day natin dito po sa comment section sa baba. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay OFW Hong Kong Capricorn at OFW Hong Kong 9305. Ang sabi po niya, okay Sir Pat, matry akong mag-download. May Atomy ako dati. Inalis ko na. Watching from New Territory, Taipo, Hong Kong. Kay Miss OFW Hong Kong Capricorn, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. And sa mga kababayan po natin dyan, sa mga OFW sa Hong Kong, shoutout po sa inyo. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!